A person enjoys blank in the evening. Options are A. To walk, B. Walking, C. Walk, D. Walked. The correct answer is walking. It is important blank instructions carefully. Options are A. Read, B. Reading, C. To read, D. Reads. The correct answer is to read. Someone decided blank early for the task. Options are A. Leaving, B. Leave, C. To leave, D. Left. The correct answer is to leave. A person avoids blank too much time on games. Options are A. To spend, B. Spend, C. Spending, D. Spent. The correct answer is spending. It is easy blank mistakes when rushing. Options are A. Make, B. Making, C. To make, D. Made. The correct answer is to make. Someone finished blank the assignment on time. Options are A. To complete, B. Completing, C. Complete, D. Completed. The correct answer is completing. A person hopes blank better results soon. Options are A. Getting, B. Get, C. To get, D. Got. The correct answer is to get. Someone suggested blank a short break. Options are A. To take, B. Taking, C. Take, D. Taken. The correct answer is taking. It is necessary blank enough rest daily. Options are A. Get, B. Getting, C. To get, D. Got. The correct answer is to get. A person enjoys blank new skills. Options are A. To learn, B. Learning, C. Learn, D. Learned. The correct answer is learning.